Covering approximately 30 acres, Albert Park boasts meticulously manicured lawns, meandering pathways, and tall trees that provide shade and serenity. Its layout reflects the classic Victorian garden design, offering visitors a tranquil escape from the urban hustle and bustle. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a backdrop for artistic endeavors, or a place to connect with nature, Albert Park's scenic landscapes offer it all. Tall, mature trees line the pathways and provide shade on sunny days. These trees not only enhance the park's aesthetics, but also contribute to the overall sense of tranquility. The rustling leaves and the dappled sunlight create a calming atmosphere, making it an ideal spot for contemplation and relaxation. Albert Park in Middlesbrough is renowned for its scenic landscapes, which play a central role in creating a tranquil and visually stunning environment for visitors. These landscapes are not